Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this interesting math problem, that is 3 power 2x equals 7 power x plus 1, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So as per exponent rule, a power m power n is a power mn. So this 3 power 2x, we can write it as 3 power 2 power x equals 7 power x plus 1. Now 3 square is 9. 9 power x equals 7 power x plus 1. Now again I'm using the identity, that is x power m plus n. We can write it as x power m times x power n. So 9 power x equals 7 power x times 7 power 1. So if I'll divide both sides by 7 power x, so it will cancel out from the right hand side. So 9 power x by 7 power x equals 7 power 1. As per exponent rule, x power m by y power m, we can write x by y whole power m. So 9 by 7 whole power x equals 7. So if I'll take log on both sides, so log 9 by 7 whole power x equal log 7. Now log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it becomes x log 9 by 7 equal log 7. As per log rule, log a by b, we can write log a minus log b. So x log 9 minus log 7 equal log 7. Now next step, here we divide both sides by log 9 minus log 7. So this will cancel out. So x equal log 7 by log 9 minus log 7. What is the value of log 7? It's 0.845 by, what is the value of 0? Log 9 minus log 7 is 0.109. When we do the division, the x is approximately 7.752. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.